Hi guys, welcome to INS Academy. Today I am going to say about maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, in low energy circuits such as in electronics and communication circuits, we have to transfer maximum amount of power from source to load. Electronic and communication circuits, we have to transfer maximum amount of power from source to load. Okay, so this maximum power transfer can be possible only whenever load resistance is equal to source resistance. Okay, this is the statement for maximum power transfer theorem. It states that for maximum power to be transferred from source to load, the load resistance RL is the load resistance must be equal to source network resistance. RS is the source network resistance. Viewed from output terminals of the network with all voltage and current sources are replaced with their internal resistances. Here we have to consider source resistances also. Source resistances also we have to consider. Now, to explain this maximum power transfer theorem, I am considering a very simple circuit with a voltage source like this. Okay, so this is the voltage source, and let us say this is the source resistance RS, and this one is the load resistance RL. Here RS is the source resistance means it is the internal resistance of the circuit along with the source resistance. Internal resistance of the circuit along with the source resistance. Now let us consider IL is the current through the load. IL is the current through the load. IL will be V by RS plus RL. V by RS plus RL. So IL is the current flowing through the load. So we have IL and RL. So easily we can find power demanded by the load. Power demanded by the load, basically power formula is I square into R. Here power demanded by the load is IL square into RL, which is equal to IL square. IL square is equal to V square by RS plus RL whole square into RL, which is the power demanded by the load. Power demanded by the load. Let us say this one as equation 1. So just for my convenience, I am writing this power demanded by the load like this: V square into RL into RS plus RL whole power minus 2. Whole power minus 2. Now, to obtain the maximum power taken by the load, take the derivative of this power demanded by the load and equate it to 0. See, d PL by differentiating power demanded by the load with respect to load resistance and equating it to 0. Okay, so d by DRL of PL is V square into RL into RS plus RL whole power minus 2. Whole power minus 2 and equating it to 0. Here V square is the constant term. V square is the constant. we are considering RL as U, RS plus RL as V. And here we are applying d by dx of UV formula. D by dx of UV. So d by dx of UV is equal to U dV by dx plus V du by dx. We are applying this formula here. V square into RL U dV by dx means minus 2 into RS plus RS plus RL whole power minus 3 plus V means RS plus RL whole power minus 2 into du by dx. Du by dx means dRL by dRL, which is equal to 1. And here we are equating this entire equation to 0. Now, by taking this V square to right hand side, 0 by anything will be 0. See here very carefully. I'm writing the equation like this: minus 2 into RL by RS plus RL whole cube plus 1 by RS plus RL whole square is equal to 0. So now for this entire equation, LCM will be, what is the LCM? LCM will be RS plus RL whole cube. RS plus RL whole cube. So minus 2RL plus RS plus RL, which is equal to 0. Okay. Again, we are transferring this RS plus RL whole cube to right hand side and it will be 0. It is RL. Now, RS minus RL is equal to 0. Finally, RL is equal to RS. So, this is the condition for the maximum power to be transferred. Load resistance is equal to source resistance. Load resistance is equal to source resistance. Now, we will find one more thing, that is, what is the power that is transferred to the load. Now, let us substitute source resistance is equal to RL in this equation. Okay, as RS is equal to RL, substitute RS is equal to RL in equation 1, then power maximum will be V square into RL by, in place of RS, RL plus RL. RL plus RL whole square. So, which is equal to V square into RL by 2 RL square. This 4 RL square. This RL and this RL will get cancelled. Finally, P max. So, maximum power transferred from source to load is V square by, it is 4 RL. V square by 4 RL. Here, This is the condition for maximum power to be transferred from source to load. That is, whenever load resistance is equal to source resistance, then only the maximum power is transferred. That maximum power transferred is V square by 4 into RL. It is not R4, it is RL. Okay. If you like my explanation, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, INS Academy. Thank you.